Once you've installed Adobe InDesign, you'll probably find that most of the settings are pretty much good to go. Now, you might find though that when you start to work with images, maybe there's a couple of things lacking in regards to functionality that you want to expand a bit more on to make it a little bit more, not just accurate, but just to give you a bit more feedback on the screen. So what I've got here is I've got the London picture of the London Eye. So by default, if I was to drag down the frame to sort of decrop it or drag it upwards to crop it, what I'd like to see is a live preview of that image regardless of where I'm cropping it. So I can make a decision based upon the content and also the size of the frame as to how much I'm going to be cropping in or out. And additionally to that, if I want to scale it, I probably would want to see what that image looks like before I let go of the mouse. Okay, so it'd be nice to sort of get that enhanced so I can see a little bit more on my screen as I'm building my layout. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the InDesign preferences, go to the interface category, go down to the live screen drawing, change it from what is the delayed to immediate. So your machine needs to be a little bit quicker to keep up with this. So just hit OK to that. Now if I was to crop it upwards, I see the whole image as I'm adjusting it so I can be as accurate as I want. And obviously if I want to sort of expand that frame down so it's a bit deeper, I can do that. Additionally, if I was to scale the image now, then I could sort of scale it. I'm seeing the whole of the image as I'm scaling that particular frame, and it's giving me a lot more on-screen feedback at that particular point.